everyone, my name is Miss Who and I am a physics teacher. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we are going to put together a STEM toy hydraulic lift made out of simple wooden frame as well as a couple of syringes and some water. We're going to see how this is able to manipulate the lift just by pushing and pulling the syringe. This system works on Pascal's principle, and I'll explain how the principle works to make this lift move up and down after we've assembled the STEM toy together. So how this hydraulic lift system works is based on Pascal's principle, which states that pressure is transferred uniformly throughout a liquid in a closed system. So that's why this works best when it's completely full of liquid. You'll find that if there is no water in a system and there's only air, or if there is air trapped together with the water inside the syringe and hose system, the lift will not work. So it works best when it's completely full of liquid. So what happens is when I pull a liquid this way, the force exerted on the liquid is converted to pressure, pulling it that way. And what happens is the liquid gets pulled this way as well because the pressure is transferred uniformly. And because the syringe gets pulled in, that's why this system goes up, because that's how the system is designed. As I press this down, it exerts a force onto the liquid, which is converted to pressure. This pressure is transferred throughout the liquid and presses the syringe that way. And because it is designed in such a way that when we press down, when it goes that way, the lift comes down. So I hope you had a lot of fun putting this lift together, and you know what? Don't forget to have fun. Just put stuff on this and see, how much weight do you think this lift can actually support? If you would like to purchase this hydraulic lift toy, just contact me using the contact details provided below. Do check out my catalog of other STEM toys you can also purchase. Thank you for watching and have a lot of fun!